Friends International is an organization working with marginalized children and youth, and our job is to support these young people to bring them back into society as productive, functional citizens.
It's now well established. It's one of the leading NGOs in the country. It was started here in Cambodia back in 1994.
We have grown over the years and expanded our direct services in Asia, all the way through partnerships in Africa to Central America and some projects in Europe.
ChildSafe Movement was started back in 2005. We realised we needed to have a very strong child protection element in our work.
The ChildSafe Movement is aimed to identify key people that have an essential role to play in the protection of children and train them, certify them to be child-safe agents to protect children directly. And we have expanded to certifying companies, especially in the tourism industry.
As a travel agency, joined with Friends International, we provide the child-safe training to our staff and also to our guide, working directly with the client. When the client asks, we can explain well about child-safe protection.
We have over 8,000 child-safe people trained and certified, giving information to the general public on how to protect children.
Your orphanage donation isn't helping an orphan. It's hurting a child.
Most visitors, 99% or more, come with the best intentions. As they visit, they want to also have a positive impact and have a personal experience of the country, which is absolutely fantastic and needs to be supported. However, if you don't know how to do this properly, your actions can have a very negative impact on the places you visit, and especially the children. Visiting orphanages or schools, it's actually supporting a system that is not healthy for children.
We have an orphanage industry that's actually tearing families apart.
The orphanages are basically taking away children from families to put them in the shelters so that they can make money from visitors.
We're trying to raise awareness of these issues, encouraging people to find out more. We have 7 tips for travellers. Essentially, there are 7 pieces of advice on how you can better protect children when you're travelling.
It's really important. When the client asks, we can explain why we don't recommend visiting school or orphanage.
One of the key things for us is to involve everyone in the community, and Spampe community is a very good example of that. It's a community with lots of problems, a lot of children out of school and not getting an education. So we have identified, trained and certified community people.
You have the symbol displayed and people know, right, this is someone who's trained.
Tuk-tuk drivers, sellers and teachers and so on to know what to do when they see a child at risk. Friends International is a social enterprise, and as such we are running a series of social businesses, training businesses such as beauty salons, restaurants, garage and so on. We're building different services and building futures for young people, giving them the life skills to be able to operate in society and get an employment. Social businesses create income for the organization, and the income allows us to cover costs for the training, and if we're really good and make a profit, this profit is re-injected in the social work, creating less donor dependency and sustainability for the organization. Being recognized by World Asia is important because it's giving additional credibility to the ChildSafe movement.
It's raising the profile of the work we do, and it's also helping to make the industry much more responsible. The first night that Friends International was operational in Cambodia, 17 young people were helped off the streets and into a safe shelter. Last year, along with our partners, the number of children we've helped has grown to almost 100,000. So a great impact with a lot more work to be done.
ChildSafe is open source. We welcome more individuals, businesses, NGOs, government. Everyone should work together, and we welcome everyone to work with us.